Hi, and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name is Darren, and this channel is about backpacking, finding cool attractions, and finding your next adventure. Today we're here in London at the Coal Drop Yards. They are having the Brompton 50 World Champion Criterium. We just witnessed the women's and the men's finals, which is 10 laps around the park. And they're doing the cool down right now, so come join us. Join us as we mark an incredible half-century of folding bike fun at the iconic Brompton World Championship. This is staged June 20 to 22nd at London Vibrant King's Cross in Coal Drop Yard. Over 500 racers from more than 25 countries descended on the city for a celebration like no other. It's featured exhilarating criterium-style racing, outrageous costumes, and inspired community spirit. Some of the rules include strictly no Lycra, with a twist. Suit jackets, ties, kilts, and bananas? All in the spirit of the Brompton's cheeky commuter heritage and full of unexpected flair. The race consists of heat-by-heat excitement. Competing across 10-plus heats, riders power through 5 laps on a 900-meter circuit, culminating in a thrilling 10-lap finale to crown the fastest man and woman. So why do we love the Brompton World Championship? Well, it's a nod to Brompton's commuter roots. Smart dress, city chic, and no Lycra allowed. The unique Le Mans start, which runs to your bike, unfold it, and ride. This celebrates community across 25 plus countries, united in folding bike fandom. It's definitely a weekend to remember. From the relaxing Friday social rides to the laid-back Sunday community rides in Greenwich. And don't forget the rooftop picnics. The celebration was about more than just racing. It was about Brompton's unique blend of fun, style, and belonging. A brief history of Brompton bicycles. Was founded in 1975 by Andrew Ritchie in his small London apartment overlooked in the Brompton Oratory. Brompton bicycles began with a singular mission to create a compact, portable bike perfectly suited for urban life. With its unique folding design, Brompton redefined personal mobility for city dwellers. The bike folds in under 20 seconds in a small, lightweight package, ideal for commuters navigating trains, buses, or even tight living spaces. In the 80s and 90s, Brompton steadily grew, bringing loyal fans worldwide for its blend of engineering, ingenuity, British craftsmanship, and quirky character. Thanks for watching YeeFit Adventures as we spectated and saw some of the races here at the Brompton Criterium Brompton 50, which is like the fastest 3 foldable bike, which is pretty cool. And it really tempts me to want to go out and get one. So come join us. Take care and stay safe. And let's find your next adventure.